The iPhone 15 is packed with features that truly elevate the smartphone experience. First off, the new A16 Bionic chip delivers lightning-fast performance, making multitasking smoother than ever. The camera system is a game-changer, with improved low-light capabilities and a 48-megapixel main sensor that captures stunning detail. You can now shoot ProRAW and ProRes video right from your phone, giving you professional-level editing power on the go. The Dynamic Island feature has evolved, providing real-time notifications and interactions that seamlessly blend into your daily tasks. And let's not forget about the USB-C charging port, which not only speeds up charging but also enhances connectivity with a wider range of devices. Plus, with the introduction of satellite connectivity, you can send emergency messages even when you're off the grid. The iPhone 15 isn't just a phone, it's a powerful tool that enhances creativity and productivity in ways we've only dreamed of.